If you're ready to ditch the guesswork and build a classroom that actually supports how kids learn to read, then you're in the right place. Whether you're teaching preschool, kindergarten, first or second grade, your physical space should work with the brain, not against it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a science of reading classroom that's explicit, organized, and ready for real literacy gains. Just one small change at a time. Let's be clear. This isn't about trendy decor or Pinterest perfect classrooms. A science of reading classroom is about intention. Every wall display, every center activity, every tool in your small group area, all of it points back to what the brain needs to learn to read. That means explicit phonics instruction, systematic progression from sounds to letters to words to meaning. Tools like sound walls, decodable readers, and Alconin boxes. When your space aligns with the science of reading, you're giving kids the best shot at becoming skilled readers. So let's break it down. Step 1. Start with a sound wall. This is different from a word wall. Why is this step important? Because kids don't learn to read by memorizing words. They learn to connect speech sounds to print. Your sound wall should include consonant and vowel sounds, keyword visuals showing words and images that match with particular sounds, matching graphemes added as you explicitly teach them. This helps students hear, see, and map language the way their brains are wired to. I've created a free downloadable sound wall resource on my website, which you can use in your classroom today. You can find it at the link below. Step 2. Organize materials for explicit instruction. Structured literacy thrives on clarity and consistency, and that starts with your materials. Here's a checklist of items or literacy bins you should already have in your classroom. Number 1, phoneme cards for review. My early reader pack can be purchased at the link below. Number 2, magnetic letters or tiles for word building. Try to use lowercase letters. Number 3, Alconin boxes for sound mapping. You can laminate this and use dry erase markers. Number 4, decodable readers for application. There's a list of options on my blog. Label your bins clearly and keep them out and accessible. What's the goal here? Streamlined transitions and intentional early literacy practice. Step 3, design a small group reading space. Your small group space should be the heart of your classroom. This space is where targeted instruction comes alive. Set it up like this: semicircle table for eye contact and engagement. Keep decodables, dry erase boards, and your early reader pack accessible. Use this time for phonics intervention, fluency work, and guided decoding. It's not about fluff, it's about focused instruction that moves the needle. Step 4, curate your classroom library intentionally. In a science of reading classroom, not all books do the same job. Decodable texts are for practicing phonics skills. Rich read-alouds are for vocabulary, comprehension, and background knowledge. Separate and label your library into 3 categories: decodables, read-alouds, and content books. This way, kids know exactly why they're reading and what they're reading, and that kind of clarity builds confidence. Step 5, literacy centers that reinforce skills. While you're working with small groups, the rest of the class needs meaningful practice. Keep your centers simple, consistent, and skill-based. The following are some great options. Number 1, a word building station that has letter tiles, letter cards, sound maps, and CVC word lists. Number 2, listening station with decodable audiobooks for accompanying readers. Number 3, a writing center that targets proper letter formation and fine motor skill development. Each center should reinforce, not introduce. That's how you build mastery. Number 6, display with purpose. Anchor charts aren't wallpaper. Every visual should serve a purpose. Show kids what you want them to do, not what you want them to see. Post decoding prompts, vowel teams, tricky graphemes. These are tools they'll use, not just glance at. So let's recap. Your classroom should include the following: sound walls instead of word walls, organized materials for explicit instruction, a small group space that works, a library with clear purpose, centers that reinforce, not distract, visuals that actually support learners. When your classroom is actually built for the way kids learn to read, every student gets a stronger start. If this is helpful, click the like button, subscribe, and comment about what you've seen works best with your kids or your students. I love supporting educators and parents in this joyful journey to build confident readers.